In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Wix. We're going to take you step by step through the process. So by the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly connect different pages within your Wix website. Let's dive right in. First, head over to wix.com. If you're not currently logged in, you'll need to sign in to your Wix account. If you've saved your login details, you can do this with just a click by using your browser's autofill option. Once you're logged in and find yourself on your Wix dashboard, it's time to proceed to the website you want to work on. You'll see a list of the sites you manage. Find the one you wish to edit and click on the option that says Select and Edit Site. This will open up the Wix Editor for that particular site, bringing you closer to adding those all-important page links. Now that you're in the editor, look out for the Design Site button. This button allows us access to all the customization features Wix has to offer. Click it, and the screen will bring you straight to the elements and sections you can edit on your site. Next, focus on the section of the site where you want to add or modify a link. When you hover over different sections on your page, you will see an option to select that section. Choose the one you're interested in working with by clicking on it. This might be an image, a button, or any other component where you want to embed your link. Once you've selected the section, you'll notice a small menu or panel appearing nearby. Here, the goal is to select the page you want your visitor to be directed to. So within this menu, select the link option or similar, usually represented by a small chain link icon. This will open a dialog box that allows you to choose from existing pages within your website. From the list of existing pages, choose the page you want to link to. Determine which page should be the target once a visitor clicks on the element you selected earlier. Review these pages carefully to ensure you're linking to the correct destination. After selecting the appropriate page, the next step is to confirm your choice. You'll find a Done button or similar confirmatory option within the Settings or Link dialog. Be sure to click it to save your changes. This step is crucial because it finalizes the link you just set up. And there you have it. With that last click, you've successfully linked pages within your Wix website. Click Preview to check your work and see everything in action. If you have multiple pages to link, simply repeat the process for each new section. I hope this makes linking pages on Wix more straightforward, and you feel more confident in customizing your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!